Alright, what's good, YouTube? You know what's going on? It's your boy Eli CLG. We back with another recap banger, man. Alright, so today I'm gonna show y'all what was going on today. So today, let me go back on the trade. I opened up the day on the daily. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me take this off. I don't know why this right here. But yeah, I opened up this on the daily. I opened up the micro S&P and then Nasdaq because I always want to make sure where my S&T value is. I say value, my S&T divergence is. So I go to mark off, you know, my highs and my lows. Marked off this liquidity.
Mom, mommy.
Oh, I gotta post my video. All right, marked off this liquidity up here. You know what I'm saying? And then I said, okay, where does it look like the market is going? Let me actually take this stuff off so y'all can see. So I said, okay, what does the market look like it's going? It's actually like it's trailing up. So what is the indications that I need? Okay, this is a point of interest right here, liquidity. But I always mark off the low just in case, you know what I'm saying? Because you never know. We had news today, so you never really know what's going on with it. So go here. Oh, so I said, okay, that's cool. Go on a 4 hour. Then I do the same exact thing that I done on the daily for the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? So I said, okay, let's look for indications of where price is intended on going for a point of interest. So I said, okay, it's a big fair value gap right here for the 4 hour. So I marked that price down. So I go, you know, 4 hour fair value gaps. And if you don't know these confluences, you're gonna have to learn them, but I'm just telling you the strategy for the day. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you my tactical analysis for the day. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know about fair value gaps, order blocks, liquidity sweeps, those things you're gonna have to learn. You know what I'm saying? So then from there, I said, okay, potentially like around 8:30 or so, we was just sweeping out this liquidity. You know what I'm saying? We were sweeping out that liquidity. So we swept that liquidity. So it's okay. We keep going. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even get no backtrack on us. So I said, okay, that must mean this is bullish momentum to the upside for sure. So I'm looking for a retest. You know what I'm saying? To get in for the bullish momentum to keep going to the upside. So then I scaled down to the 1 hour, and I want to show y'all this on this time frame as well because I did the same thing. I scaled up to the 1 hour and I say, oh wow, we got a. I believe this is it right here. We got an S&T divergence going down to the downside. And right when I mark the S&T divergence off, we start going to the downside, which is where I'm like, okay, this is where my retest is coming from because this is an S&T divergence right here. You know what I'm saying? Then when I go look on the Nasdaq, let me show y'all. When I go look on the Nasdaq, burnt out. When I go look on the Nasdaq, we done the same thing but to the downside. So this is giving me confirmation that that's my retest. You get what I'm saying? So I go back on. And if you don't know about S&Ts, same thing. If you want me to drop a video, drop in the comment section, make a video on all the things that you're talking about. So then I go back to the S&P. I said, okay, let's scale down again. Because my fair value gap, my 4 hour fair value gap, I already knew was going to tap into that. That's the next price action. I'm not going to say price action. That's the next point of interest that price is looking forward to going into. So I go to 30 minute, I scale down, and I said, okay, we got this crazy boy fair value gap right here. So I said, okay, 30 minute. I really took it on the 15 minute, but yeah, 30 minute fair value gap right here. This I know price want to go back here. We got this bearish S&T to the downside, but we bullish like crazy. This is my retest. This is my retest. So then I go scale down to the 15 minute, and we scaling down, and we just tapped into that fair value gap. So I'm like, oh my god, this trade is amazing. This trade is perfect. Nope, I missed the entry. You get what I'm saying? So I missed the entry. So I was waiting for it. So this is where I really wanted it to go. Once we topped out of this fair value gap, I'm sorry. Once we topped out of this fair value gap, I would have took here, and I would have placed my stop loss above here, a little down about here, and then I would have looked for previous like daily highs. So something around here, and then TP around there, so I would took TP1 right here, TP1 right there, and then TP2 right there. And that would have been an amazing trade, but I'm going to show y'all what ended up happening because I ended up missing my trade. And y'all see right now, it's 3 o'clock on the day. We still trailing up to TP2, so I would have closed out at TP1, which hit like an hour ago or two. So then I scaled down to the 15 minute, and I ended up missing my entry. So I'm like, what I'm going to do? So I said, okay, if I see another retest from either of these fair value gaps on the 15 minute, I'm gonna get in. So I scaled in. I said, okay, we got this 15 minute fair value gap. So I placed it 15 minute fair value gap because I already know on the day we bullish. It's like plain and simple that we bullish on the day. So I'm looking for anything for buys. You know what I'm saying? But I wanted to make sure I get a good entry just in case we come down to retest again, so I don't get stopped out. You know what I'm saying? Because what I've been going wrong at is my entries. I've been getting in and I'm right on the day. I'm always right. Not to say it like that, but you know what I'm saying? My strategy be right, but my entry be so bad that it come down, I get liquidated. I get liquidated, and then it go right back up to the upside, and it's just like wow. You know what I'm saying? So I'm doing better at my entries, which you should too. You know what I'm saying? Do better at your entries because it's a crazy game. So you need to be a sniper out here. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, you need to be a sniper. So I said, okay, we got this 15 minute fair value gap. I'll go on a 5 minute. We also had another fair value gap on a 5 minute. But you know what we did on a 5 minute, and I'm waiting for it. That's okay. We come down. We did not get into the fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? And we did, but I didn't really see that we did. You know what I'm saying? On the 15 minute, because I was looking at it like differently. So. Because this is the candle in the 15 minute, but on the 5 minute, you know, we got a fair value gap right here too as well. So I'm like, we didn't tap into the fair value gap. So I'm still waiting for an entry. And they end up running. And then from there, I believe I took where did I take an entry at? I believe I took an entry at, wait, let me see. I think I took an entry above here, somewhere above here. Yeah, I think I took an entry right like around here, and it ended up stopping me out for $96 or something like that. So, but yeah, and it ended up going right back up because I'm like, I'm not gonna hold this trade because it was just chopping. You know what I'm saying? It's consolidating, and that's not what I was looking forward to. I was looking forward to the whole push to the upside, like my original trade down here. But shoot it. Soon as market opened, this is what it was doing, and I seen it, but I was just like, market just open, you know, like I don't know what it's looking like, you know what I'm saying? But long story short, $96 loss. We really went bullish, but you know what I'm saying? It's cool. I just got stopped out my trade. It was like something like, I think it was like something like this. I had it above these. No, I'm tripping. It was like something like this, cause I had it above. I had it below this. I had it below this candle right here. So yeah. Because this is the fair value gap right there that I had. So I was a little bit under it for that 5 minute fair value gap. Something like this. And this is way too high for, you know what I'm saying? It's way too high for me. So that's what happened. I really wanted to enter down here and then take the long move to the moon. But I ended up missing it. So I was going to, you know, play it smooth. Say, nah, we're not going to take a trade today. But, you know, I said it can retest. You know, I already know that. Look at this bullish momentum, you know what I'm saying? Straight to the upside. So I said, you know, a retest and go back up could be cool, but you know, it's all in the name of war. So yeah, that was my bias for the day. Hopefully tomorrow we get a better entry because the trade was there. You know what I'm saying? The structure was there. The buys was there. I just got an ill entry. So if y'all want to learn these things, man, make sure I drop a like. If y'all want to learn anything that I went over, and y'all would like for me to post a video on it, comment down below, drop a like, say, what is a fair value gap? What is the SMT? Eli, I don't know what you talking about. What is this? What is that? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Join the Eli COG Discord, link in the description. If y'all didn't already, we out.